got your picture, I got your picture. I'd like a million of you all of myself. I want the doctor to take a picture so I could look at you from inside as well. Got me turning up and turning down, I'm turning in, I'm turning round, turning Japanese, I think I'm turning Japanese, I really think so. Turning Japanese, I think I'm turning Japanese, I really think so. Turning Japanese, I think I'm turning Japanese, I really think so. Turning Japanese, I think I'm turning Japanese, I really think so.
Hi everybody, my name's Troy Hawes and welcome once again to another edition of My Acoustic Lounge. Today we're going to review a great song called Turning Japanese. It was written by David Fenton and performed by the Vapors. Turning Japanese peaked at number 36 on the Billboard Hot 100 in 1980. Now, before we get started, be sure to click the subscribe button, as I'm always trying to put up new content on a regular basis. In addition, if you like my guitar tutorials and covers, you might actually also like my original music, which can now be purchased or streamed from any one of your favorite online music providers. Simply look up Troy Hawes. You'll find my music there. Now what we're going to do first is we're going to look at the chords that you're going to need to know. And then we're going to perform an acoustic lounge version of this great song. Afterwards, we'll go in depth and have a closer look at the chord progression. As always, I'm going to use a great backbeat from my Beat Buddy by Singular Sound. So if you want to learn a great new wave rock song from the early 80s, stick around. We're going to get started right now. Okay, in order to get all the way through Turning Japanese, you're going to need to know 6 chords. Let's have a look at them now. The first one is a G major. You're going to need to know an E minor. Now this song calls for an A chord. I find that the A sus2 actually sounds better. If you want to use the A chord, by all means go right ahead. Both work just fine. There is a C chord in this as well. I use an FC chord or an F major 7 chord or just an F chord, whatever you prefer. All of those work. And finally there's a D in this song as well. That's it. Those 6 chords are going to get you all the way through this great song. Let's get to the cover.
I got your picture of me and you. You wrote I love you, I love you too. I sit there standing, there's nothing else to do. Oh, it's in color, your hair is brown, your eyes are hazel, soft as the clouds. I often kiss you when there's no one else around. I got your picture, I got your picture. I'd like a million of you all of myself. I want the doctor to take a picture so I could look at you from inside as well. Got me turning up and turning down, I'm turning in, I'm turning round, turning Japanese, I think I'm turning Japanese, I really think so. Turning Japanese, I think I'm turning Japanese, I really think so. Turning Japanese, I picture. I like a million of you all of myself. I want the doctor to take a picture so I can look at you from inside as well. You've got me turning up and turning down, I'm turning in, I'm turning round, turning Japanese, I think I'm turning Japanese, I really think so. Turning Japanese, I think I'm turning Japanese, I really think so. Turning Japanese, I think I'm turning Japanese, I really think so. Turning Japanese, I think I'm turning Japanese, I really think so. No sex, no drugs, no wine, no women, no fun, no sin, no you, no wonder it's dark. Everyone around me is a total stranger. Everyone avoids me like a cyclone ranger. Everyone. That's why I'm turning Japanese, I think I'm turning Japanese, I really think so. Turning Japanese, I think I'm turning Japanese, I really think so. Turning Japanese, I think I'm turning Japanese, I really think so. Turning Japanese, I think I'm turning Japanese, I really think so.
All right, let's get to the chord progression of this great song. Now, the good news here is that at the very root and the core of this song, it's very easy to play, encompassing the 6 chords that I've just showed you. The verse, the chorus, and of course the bridge. Very easy to strum, although it's a quick tempo. The challenge in this song is what happens between the verse, chorus, and bridge. There are those lead riffs that can be a little challenging if you're a beginner. So, what we're going to do is break this into 4 parts. We're going to start with a closer look at how to strum the chord progression to the verse, then we'll look at the chorus, then we'll look at the bridge, and finally we'll have a closer look at those lead riffs, which include the opening and everything else in between. You'll find with a little bit of practice, you'll get that down very easy. With that said, let's start with the verse. Okay, starting on the G chord, the verses go something like this. Your picture of me and you. You wrote I love you, I love you too. I sit there staring and there's nothing else to do. Oh, it's in color. Your hair is brown, your eyes are hazel, soft as the clouds. Kiss you when there's no one else around. And that is where you jump into one of those riffs. We'll get to that towards the end of the video. Let's have a look at the chorus. Okay, also starting on the G chord, the chorus goes something like this. You've got me turning Japanese, you've got me turning Japanese, I really think so. Turning Japanese, I think I'm turning Japanese, I really think so. Turning Japanese, I think I'm turning Japanese, I really think so. Turning Japanese, I think I'm turning Japanese, I really think so. Let's get into the bridge. Okay, the bridge. Starting with the G chord, here it goes. No sex, no drugs, no wine, no women, no fun, no sin, no you, no wonder it's dark. Everyone around me is a total stranger. into the chorus. Very, very easy. Let's now get into some of those lead riffs. All right, that lead riff, or at least the acoustic lounge version, all starts on the 12th fret of the 3rd string. We're also going to use the 3rd string of the 10th fret, the 4th string of the 12th fret. So again, slow it down. And that's simple. Let's have a look at some of these other ones. Okay. All right, so riffs can be a little challenging to learn if you're a beginner. The acoustic lounge version is simplified. Again, I try to simplify these so it's easier to play if you're a beginner, but it still gets the message across. So we'll show you where the notes are, but you may want to watch the video several times to get the rhythm down. Again, the notes. Basically starting on the 6th string 3rd fret. And then we're going to go to the 5th string 2nd fret. We're going to go to the 2nd fret 4th string, open 4th string, 3rd fret of the 5th string. Again, the rhythm of it. All right, all the notes are there. You just need to know the rhythm. Then we're going to jump to the 6th fret of the 5th string. Down to the 3rd fret of the 5th string. Then to the 6th fret of the 6th string. And then back down to the 5th string 3rd fret. Let's have a look at the rhythm, slowed down from start to finish. And that's it. Now, you may also want to, do a power chord for that. If you're confident enough, go ahead, do that. But that's it. Let's have a look at that last riff. Okay, the riff that takes place after the chorus. The chorus basically... turning Japanese, I think I'm turning Japanese, I really think so. Okay, let's try to break that down. Again, you can play them with bar chords, power chords, or just pluck the individual notes if you want. Again, starting on the 3rd fret of the 6th string, and it's just a walk down to the 2nd fret, to the 1st fret, back up again, and then into the riff that we just learned. And then that last little bit. Let's slow it down for you. And I'm going to play them with bar chords. Here we go. That's it. That's it. Now I know that can be daunting if you're a beginner, but I promise you that's as easy as I can make it if you want to play this great song. So there you have it, Turning Japanese by the Vapors. Thank you for tuning in to my Acoustic Lounge. My name's Troy Hawes. Again, if you like my guitar tutorials and covers, please consider subscribing. I do truly, truly appreciate it. Until the next time, keep playing. Music is good for the soul.